start our chapter number 12, exponents and powers. Okay, so in earlier class 7th you have learned about power and exponent of rational numbers. Okay, so suppose we multiply 2 is multiply 4 times. How many times? 4 times. Means we write 2 to the power 4. ये जो हुआ 2 to the power 4, here 2 is base and 4 is the exponent. Okay, so 2 is multiply how many times? 4 times, means 2 to the power 4. That equal to 2 2 of 4, 4 2 of 6, 8, again 8 2 of 16. So result is 16, means 2 to the power 4 equal to 16. Okay, so we know that there are how many laws of exponents? 6. So now we discuss about the laws of exponents. So first is a to the power m into a to the power n. Base are same, then a to the power m plus n. Power और exponent plus हो जाएगा. This is the first law. This is the first law of exponent. Okay. Similarly also a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n rational number, then also a by b whole to the power m plus n. देखो यहाँ पर क्योंकि सेम बेस है तो ये भी फर्स्ट लॉ है. देन सेकेंड इज a to the power n divided by a to the power n. Base are same, then a to the power m minus n. This is the second law of exponent. Second law. Okay. Similarly also rational number a by b to the power m again also we write the rational number a by b to the power m divided by again a by b to the power n equal to a by b whole to the power m minus. This is also second law of the exponent. What is the third law? Third law is a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m into n, means a to the power mn or mm also. This is the third law. Okay. Fourth one is a and b are two natural number. A b to the power suppose n equal to a to the power n into also b to the power n. This is the fourth law of exponent. Okay, student, next fifth rule is a by b whole to the power n, means a to the power n divided by b to the power n. This is the fifth law of exponent. Fifth law of exponent. Sixth one is a to the power 1 equal to always 1. Suppose 100 to the power 1, result is 100. 1000 to the power 1 equal to 1000. Okay, means a to the power a 1 equal to a always. And next one is also a to the power 0 is always 1. This is the last law of exponent. Okay, a to the power means 1000 to the power जिसका भी बेस जो भी होना, लेकिन पावर 0 होने से और एक्सपोनेंट 0 होने से उसका रिजल्ट ऑलवेज वी गेट द रिजल्ट 1. 1000 to the power 0 equal to 1. Okay, power 1 equal to 1000. A to the power 1, this rule. Okay. नेक्स्ट पावर विथ नेगेटिव, ये जो हम अभी किए पावर विथ पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट. सो पावर विथ नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट देखो, सपोज 10 to the power 3 power is positive, your positive exponent. 10 to the power 3 means 10 into 10 3 times, that equal to 1000. Okay, 10 to the power 2, 10 square, 10 is multiply 2 times 100. Okay, 10 to the power 1 equal to 10. ये देखो, ये जो 10 to the power 3 1000, 10 to the power 2 10 square equal to 10 into 2 times 100, 10 to the power 1 equal to 10, 10 to the power 0 how much 1, क्योंकि a to the power 0 equal to 1 we know that laws of exponent. So 10 to the power 0 equal to 1 means ये 10 by 10 also. देखो मैं क्यों बोली हूँ. नेक्स्ट वन इज नेगेटिव सपोज. डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर 3, 2, 1, 0. नेक्स्ट इज -1. पावर इज नेगेटिव. सो 10 to the power -1 ये कितना का देखो. द एक्सपोनेंट डिक्रीज बाय 1, द वैल्यू बिकम्स द 1/10 ऑफ द प्रीवियस वैल्यू. अभी देखो 10 स्क्वायर इसका 1/10, 1000 का 1/10 वैल्यू 100. देन 10 to the power 1 प्रीवियस वैल्यू जो है 10 स्क्वायर का ये 1/10 मीन्स 10 आ गया. 100 by 10 इक्वल टू 10. सो प्रीवियस वैल्यू का 1/10 आ रहा है, मतलब 10 to the power -1 मीन्स 1/10 वैल्यू ऑफ 10 to the power 0. ओके, 10 to the power 0 मीन्स 1 मीन्स 1/10 वैल्यू मीन्स 1 by 10. समझ में आ गया. सो the exponent decrease by 1, the value becomes 1/10 of the previous value. Similarly देखो 10 to the power -2 मतलब इसका previous value 10 to the power -1 उसका 1/10 हो जाएगा. Means 1 by 10 again divided by 10, 1/10. That means 1 by 100. That equal to 1 by 10 square. Means 10 to the power -2 equal to 1 by 10 square. Similarly 10 to the power -3 equal to 1 by 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power -4 equal to 1 by 10 to the power 4. तो प्रीवियस वैल्यू को 1/10 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो लाइक दैट. सपोज 10 to the power -11 ये कितना आएगा 1 by 10 to the power 11. ओके, सो ये नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट होने से देखो कैसे चेंज हो जा रहा है. तो फाइंड द, अभी देखो ये जो हो रहा है 10 to the power -1 ये इसका क्या है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑल्सो. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. ओके, सपोज वी फाइंड द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 2 to the power -4. 2 to the power -4 मीन्स 1 by 2 to the power 4. उसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या है 2 to the power 4. ओके, दैट इक्वल टू रिजल्ट इज 1 आएगा. सो लाइक दैट ये नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट. ओके, नाउ वी सिंप्लीफाई सम नंबर्स. ओके, जो क्वेश्चन इज 2 to the power -1 डिवाइडेड 5 to the power -1 देन होल टू द पावर 2 अगेन मल्टीप्लाई विथ -5 by 8 to the power -1. ओके, सो we have 2 to the power -1 means 1 by 2 divided by 5 to the power -1 means 1 by 5 then whole to the power 2. okay, into again देखो -5 by 8 -5 by 8 means 2 the power -1 है तो इसको हम क्या लिखेंगे 1 by -5 by 8. पावर माइनस है तो उसको 1 बाय, जैसे देखो 2 to the power -1 था तो 1 by 2, 5 का पावर माइनस था तो 1 by 5. सिमिलरली -5 by 8 का पावर -1 है तो इसीलिए 1 by -5 by 8. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 1 by 2 ये इंटू हो जाएगा 5 by 1 होल टू द पावर 2 अगेन इंटू. इसको देखो 1 by -5 by 8 मीन्स -8 by 5 और 8 by -5 जो भी हो गया. देन 1 by 2 into 5 by 1 means 5 by 2 to the power 2 into -8 by 5. ओके, इसका पावर 2 means 5 by 2 इंटू 5/2 इंटू -8/5। ओके, तो ये 5 कैंसिल हो जाएगा डिवाइड करने से। 2 इंटू 2 4, देन 2 जा 8। ओके, सो न्यूमरेटर क्या क्या है, 5 इंटू -2/1 इक्वल टू -10। सो प्रोडक्ट इज -10। ओके, इसको सिंप्लीफाई, देखो कितने इजी प्रोसेस में हम लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट भी यूज किए हैं, तो सिंप्लीफाई ऐसे करेंगे। सेकेंड नंबर देखो, सपोज 3 टू द पावर 0 प्लस 4 टू द पावर -1 इंटू 2 टू द पावर 2। इसको कैसे सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर, देखो 3 टू द पावर 0 मीन्स 1, क्योंकि a टू द पावर 0 वी नो दैट a टू द पावर 0 इक्वल टू ऑलवेज 1। So 3 to the power 0 equal to 1 plus 4 to the power -1 means 1/4. Again whole multiply with 2 to the power 2 means 4. Then equal to LCM is 4. Then 4 divided यहाँ पर 1 है, तो 4 into 1 4 plus 1 into 4. So 5/4 into 4, 4 is cancel. So result is 5. So ऐसे करके हम सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो देन नेक्स्ट वीक डिस्कस नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। ओके, दैट्स ऑल टुडे, थैंक यू ऑल।